So, what is my favorite benefit of being on TRT? So I saw this post on Facebook, what's your favorite benefit of being on TRT? And I thought let's do a video about it and think about what is my favorite benefit. So let's first go over all the different benefits guys have mentioned in that post. A more positive outlook on everything in general. Of course, better libido. Not being so tired all the time. So having more energy. Someone answers, not being depressed all the time. TRT works fine against depression. More confidence and less stress. More strength and energy in the gym. Elevated mood. Finally getting to use my high school algebra as I figure out my daily doses from milligrams to milliliters. Someone writes being horny all the time. Morning wood. Being able to crawl out of bed in the morning. Not being asleep by 10 AM, so having more energy. A good one. Competitive drive. Better for my brain, just feeling sharper. And of course, maybe my favorite, muscle gains. Easier to keep lean as well. And a study even showed that more testosterone turns Democrat voters more conservative. So now let me know in the comment section what your favorite benefit of being on TRT is. Thank you.